too busy. Look, with Louisiana, Philly, or Walmart, they're doing all of this. Just put one more policies. Right? Like, this is a really, I mean,
Let's make a reconstruction. As African Americans continued their struggle for equality, they debated how best to move forward. Three prominent voices emerged. Ida B. Wells, a New York journalist. W.E.B. Du Bois, the co-founder of the NAACP and editor of the Crisis magazine. And Booker T. Washington, the founder of the Tuskegee Institute. Each advocated a different strategy. Washington laid out his approach to a predominantly white audience at the 1895 Atlanta Cotton States and International Exposition.
In all things that are purely social, we can be as separate as the fingers, yet one as the hand, in all things essential to mutual progress. To those of my race who underestimate the importance of cultivating friendly relations with the Southern white man,
do her full duty to the race she has proved wrong and still wanted.
Wells was even more critical of the South's violence.
Our country's national pride is lynching. It is not the creature of an hour, the sudden outburst of uncontrolled fury, or the unspeakable brutality of an insane mob. It represents cool, calculating deliberation of intelligent people who openly avow